Alright, so what you want to go ahead and do first is put the key in and turn it to the key on, but not running. Next, apply the brake. Put the transmission in neutral. In order to put the transfer case itself into neutral, you now want to take a pen and go to this N right here, and you want to press this and hold it for 4 seconds. Now you're going to see four-wheel drive system in neutral. You can now go ahead and put the transmission itself back in park, shut the key off, and then continue from there. Next, we want to go ahead and remove this connector. You can either try pinching the tab and pulling it out. We're going to go ahead and use a small flathead screwdriver. Just put it in there and pry gently. Push in on that tab and wiggle that connector off. Using a 10mm socket, we want to go ahead and remove the 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, grab the unit, gently wiggle that around and pop that off. So the old shifter motor is on the right hand side, the new one is on the left. When we put the transfer case into neutral, it positions this offset key. You can notice it's not a complete circular gear, but it gives you a little offset key, and they both match up. So when we install this, it's going to be neutral, going into a neutral position. Once that's lined up, we're going to go ahead and start installing our bolts again. And then once we get these all started, we'll go ahead and snug them down. I'm going to go ahead and torque these down to 19 foot-pounds. I'm going to do it in a crisscross pattern. Once these are torqued, we can now go ahead and reinstall the connector. And go ahead and turn the key to the on position. Put the transmission in neutral. Once that's lit up, I should say 4-wheel drive neutral, and the light will remain on. To disengage it, I want to simply press it down and hold it, and it'll put the vehicle back in its drive position. Go ahead then and put the transmission in park.